Hello, I'm here today to talk to you about using net bags to protect items that have beads or sequins on them. I've got a dress here with beads and sequins, a little top and a jumper that's got beads and sequins on. The net bags that we have two sizes. This is the smaller size, which we call a bra bag. You can use it to wash anything in. And then we have the larger net bag as well. And the large one is very good for longer items such as this dress. Put that over there. So when you're using your net bag to wash an item that's got sequins and beads, first of all you need to check the manufacturing instructions to make sure that it is okay to wash in the machine, and if the instructions are fine with that, then you turn your item inside out, pop it into a bag. The small bag is fine for this little top, and there it's ready to go into the wash. Also, same thing with this jumper. Check the manufacturing instructions again, and if it's okay, turn your item inside out and pop that into a bag. Again, a small bag will be fine for this jumper. And that is ready for the wash. Now, the manufacturing instructions may also mention that you need to do flat drying. So it's come back out of the wash and you're ready to do flat drying. Here we have the item again, and we've got our laundry ladder open, completely open, so that the front frame is 90 degrees off the wall, makes a nice flat area. I tend to use a net bag over the rungs to ensure that the item doesn't drop through and onto the floor. You can use a towel as well. The advantage of a net bag though is it's got the holes in it and therefore more air will circulate through. So you get your item and just gently place it over your net bag there and flat drying on the laundry ladder. Thank you very much.